Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my life as an entrepreneur and real estate consultant here in Bohol. And today we have 3 clients that we are gonna process their documents to our reservation office at Primary Homes in Panglao. So this is our office in Panglao by Primary Homes where reservations are made and where we ask our clients to come to sign their documents. Hello, sir. Morning. Sir Ray, good morning. Did you oh. Hello, Ma'am Yan. Vlog. And now we are submitting our client's documents to our account officer for processing of approval. And as a real estate broker, I am also gonna sign the documents for my clients to be processed. So here's our client signing her condominium investment documents here in Panglao office, and we will wait for it to be approved, then she can pay the reservation fee. Here's the documents, and please kuha sa documents. Thank you. Approved na ni siya. Okay.
Congrats!
Thank you. So natay client karon kuning i-submit ning iyang documents. And now I'm preparing another documents for our another client because they are so busy and I'm going to their house for it to be signed by them. So tara, biyahion na to si client. Naanata sa atong client right now. Okay. So, itong papirmahan ng mga documents needed. Tara, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Hello, hi. Okay. So, nag-contract signing na ta karon with our client here sa ilang balay at ang gihatod ang iyahang paperwork so that we can submit it tomorrow in our office. Say hi, ma'am.
Hi! Good afternoon.
So, okay. Secure na ang condo unit nila, ma'am Jen. Welcome to Ocean Crest, ma'am. So, after that, padung ta sa Tagbilaran City on our business called The Roof Deck to check on the area and also kay naapod tay ipasign sa atong amigo here. So we can play billiard here, we can dine in for dinner, and also makita na to ang sunset and ocean at the same time. And aside from that, we also have billiard pool, KTV rooms, and cocktails, craft beers, and vape shop here. So niabot na ang atong partner here. Ato lang siyang papirmahon sa mga documents nga needed para sa iyang investment pod. So here we go. So laag po doon niya mo pohon dere guys. This is called The Roof Deck in Mansasa, Tagbilaran, Bohol.